Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. So, in short, we must keep learning. Hello, everyone. Namaskaram. So, today we will begin Unit 3 of this chapter. Unit 3, Pressure exerted by gases, atmospheric pressure. So, the topic for the day is atmospheric pressure. Our Earth is surrounded by an envelope of air which is commonly called atmosphere. So, we can say that the layer of air which is surrounding the Earth is called the atmosphere. It is found that the height of atmosphere is approximately 300 kilometers. Since air is a kind of matter, it exerts thrust or force or weight on the Earth's surface and on the objects around it. Therefore, we can say that the force exerted by atmosphere per unit area on the surface of the Earth is called atmospheric pressure. In short, एटमॉस्फेयर जो प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करती है अर्थ के सरफेस पर अपने वज़न की वजह से, उस प्रेशर को एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कहते हैं. इट्स वैल्यू इज़ फाउंड टू बी अबाउट 100,000 Pascal, or we can say 1 lakh Pascal. By looking at the magnitude, you can see how tremendous pressure is exerted by the air on all the objects. So, just to have a feel of how tremendous this 100,000 Pascal atmospheric pressure is, let us conduct an experiment. The title of our experiment is Cracking Bottle Experiment. In your book, it is Cracking Tin Experiment because they have considered a tin. In your book, it is Cracking Tin Experiment because they have considered a tin. But since we don't have a tin available, we have considered a water bottle. The name of this experiment is Cracking Bottle Experiment. So first, we take a plastic water bottle and fill some amount of water inside it. Fill some amount of boiling water inside it. Remember, the water must be boiled. So from the boiling water, some steam will come out. That steam which is coming out will expel out the air from the water bottle. Now, when the steam is coming out freely from the mouth of the bottle, when you see the steam coming out, just cover the bottle with its cap, fit it above it and fit it tight. So after fitting the cap, take the water bottle and immediately pour very cold chilled water above the bottle. To your shock, you will notice that the water bottle gets crushed. So now the question arises, why does the bottle get crushed? It is because on pouring cold water, the steam inside the bottle immediately gets converted into water. This in turn causes an almost vacuum inside the can. It is not complete vacuum, but approximately a similar condition to vacuum gets created inside the bottle. Thus, the air from outside exerts pressure on the walls of the bottle and crushes it. Thus, the investigation clearly shows that the air exerts huge pressure. So what happened here was that जब हमने बॉटल में हॉट वाटर भरा तो उसमें से स्टीम निकल रही थी। वो स्टीम अपने साथ बॉटल में प्रेजेंट एयर को भी बाहर ले जाती है। तो बॉटल के अंदर जो थोड़ी बहुत एयर थी उसे स्टीम अपने साथ एक्सपेल आउट कर देगी। नाउ आफ्टर क्लोजिंग द बॉटल विद द कैप, अब बॉटल के अंदर एयर तो नहीं है, वो तो स्टीम के साथ निकल गई, लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत स्टीम रह गई होगी बॉटल के अंदर। सो व्हेन वी हैड पोर्ड द कोल्ड वाटर, जब हमने कोल्ड वाटर ऊपर से डाला तो जो थोड़ी बहुत स्टीम रह गई थी वो सारी की सारी स्टीम वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ द एडिशन ऑफ कोल्ड वाटर। सो बेसिकली कंडेंसेशन विल टेक प्लेस इनसाइड द बॉटल, और उस कंडेंसेशन की वजह से वो जो थोड़ी बहुत स्टीम रह गई थी दैट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू वाटर। तो अब बॉटल के अंदर ना तो एयर है और ना ही स्टीम, तो हम कह सकते हैं बॉटल के अंदर देयर इज़ वैक्यूम being created because there is no air present inside the bottle to exert the pressure. Initially क्या था, एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर लगा रही थी लेकिन बॉटल के अंदर भी एयर थी उस प्रेशर को बैलेंस करने के लिए, लेकिन अब बॉटल के अंदर बिल्कुल भी एयर नहीं है। So we say that a vacuum is being created inside the bottle, जबकि बाहर एटमॉस्फेयर अपना प्रेशर अभी भी लगा रही है, लेकिन उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए अंदर की एयर अब नहीं है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिफरेंस इन प्रेशर द बॉटल गेट्स crushed. So this experiment proves us how tremendous is the atmospheric pressure of 100,000 Pascal. Now let us see some common phenomena based on atmospheric pressure. So the first question which arises is that we have learned that atmosphere is exerting 100,000 Pascal atmospheric pressure on every object of earth, including we the human beings. Then why can't we feel that pressure if that is so huge? So the answer is, it is because our blood contains dissolved oxygen at a pressure slightly more than the atmospheric pressure. Due to this increased blood pressure which is present inside us, we do not feel the atmospheric pressure because our blood pressure balances the atmospheric pressure. It is for this reason that on higher altitudes, some people fall prey to nose bleeding because of the lesser atmospheric pressure compared to the pressure of blood inside their bodies. The word altitude means height. So, जब हम higher altitudes में travel करते हैं, means अर्थ के सरफेस से काफ़ी ऊंचाई पर ट्रैवल करते हैं, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल सफ़र फ्रॉम नोज ब्लीडिंग. इट हैपन्स बिकॉज लोअर एल्टीट्यूड्स पर हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को बैलेंस कर लेता है. बट हायर एल्टीट्यूड्स पर जाने पर नंबर ऑफ़ एयर लेयर्स कम हो जाती हैं। नंबर ऑफ़ लेयर्स कम हो जाने की वजह से वहाँ पर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कम हो जाता है, लेकिन हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर उतना ही रहता है जितना कि लोअर एल्टीट्यूड्स पर था। सो अगर हम कंपेयर करें तो हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर एक्सीड कर जाता है एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को और बैलेंस नहीं कर पाता। इस एक्सीडेड ब्लड प्रेशर की वजह से नोज ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है। On higher altitudes, a fountain pen starts leaking. This is why it is advised not to take a fountain pen inside an aeroplane. Why does it happen? It happens because the air inside the pen is at higher pressure than the air outside. The outside pressure is low because we are at a high altitude. So, the higher pressure inside the pen forces the ink to leak out of the pen. So similarly, we can understand that a common water pump used for drawing water is also based on the same concept. So that was all for today. We had learned about the atmospheric pressure, its value, and some common consequences of atmospheric pressure. We will learn about the measurement of atmospheric pressure in the upcoming video. Till then, keep learning and breathe positive. Thank you all for being here. Have a good day.